Today, we explore natural solutions using essential vitamins and minerals to help relieve anxiety and depression effectively. Anxiety is basically the natural response of your body to stress. It prepares you to either fight danger or run away quickly. In prehistoric times, this response was incredibly useful. It kept our ancient ancestors alive when facing deadly predators like saber-toothed tigers. However, in our modern society, those physical threats have been replaced by abstract stressors like tight deadlines, financial worries, and endless notifications. Because our brains cannot tell the difference, we remain in a constant state of high alert, exhausting our mental and physical energy. This chronic stress can eventually lead to severe depression and overwhelming anxiety, making it difficult to enjoy our daily lives and relationships. Fortunately, nature provides powerful tools to help us cope. Specific nutrients can significantly alter our brain chemistry and promote a calmer mind. We have compiled a list of 8 essential nutrients that are scientifically proven to support your mental health and emotional wellness. By incorporating these natural elements into your daily routine, you can gently guide your nervous system back to a state of peace. Let us dive into the first crucial nutrient on our list. Vitamin C is not just for fighting off the common cold. Vitamin C plays a vital role in reducing oxidative stress in the brain, which is often elevated in people suffering from anxiety. This powerful antioxidant helps protect your delicate neural pathways from damage caused by free radicals floating around in your stressed-out body. Furthermore, vitamin C actively increases the levels of GABA in your brain. GABA is a crucial neurotransmitter that induces deep mental relaxation. Think of GABA as your natural calming agent. It slows down racing thoughts and helps you feel much more grounded and secure. You can easily find abundant vitamin C in delicious citrus fruits, vibrant bell peppers, fresh strawberries, and dark leafy green vegetables every day. Moving on to our second vital nutrient, let us talk about probiotics. Your gut health is directly connected to your overall mood. Scientists call this connection the gut-brain axis. A healthy digestive system sends positive signals directly to your brain via nerve pathways. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in your intestines. They work tirelessly to reduce systemic inflammation, which is linked to clinical depression. Surprisingly, a large portion of the serotonin in your body is produced in the gut. Probiotics ensure this production runs very smoothly. Adding fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or a high-quality probiotic supplement can truly transform your mental state from the inside. The third powerful nutrient is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. It is absolutely essential for maintaining a stable, happy mood. Vitamin D helps regulate the production of serotonin, the famous feel-good chemical that keeps depressive thoughts and anxious feelings far away. Many people spend their days indoors, leading to a widespread deficiency in vitamin D, which can silently contribute to chronic mood disorders. Besides boosting serotonin, adequate vitamin D levels help control cortisol, the primary stress hormone that causes feelings of panic and constant worry. Better cortisol control also means improved sleep quality. A good night of restful sleep is your best defense against daily anxiety triggers. Safe sun exposure is the best source, but you can also consume fortified dairy products, egg yolks, and fatty fish regularly today. Now let us explore the fourth essential nutrient on our journey. Omega-3 fatty acids are fundamental building blocks for your brain. These healthy fats easily cross the blood-brain barrier to improve neurotransmitter function, ensuring clear communication between your active brain cells daily. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their ability to significantly reduce inflammation, creating a much healthier internal environment for your neurons. They also provide incredible benefits for your cardiovascular health, which is important because a strong heart helps maintain a calm nervous system. When your heart beats steadily and efficiently, it sends a powerful message of safety and security to your anxious, overactive brain centers. To get enough omega-3, try incorporating wild-caught salmon, crunchy walnuts, chia seeds, and nutritious flax seeds into your weekly meal plans. Our fifth incredible nutrient is vitamin E. This is another potent antioxidant that works wonders for protecting your brain from daily stress. Vitamin E shields the delicate cell membranes in your brain from oxidative damage, preserving your cognitive function and emotional stability over time. People suffering from high anxiety often have depleted levels of vitamin E, making their brains more vulnerable to the effects of stress. Restoring your vitamin E levels can also greatly support better sleep patterns, allowing your mind to properly recover from intense daily pressures. You can naturally boost your intake by enjoying delicious almonds, sunflower seeds, creamy avocados, and vibrant spinach in your daily balanced diet. Next up is the sixth category, the amazing B-complex vitamins. These are the unsung heroes of your complex central nervous system. We specifically want to highlight vitamins B6, B12, and B9, which are absolutely critical for your overall mental well-being. These specific B vitamins are directly involved in the synthesis of important neurotransmitters, including both serotonin and dopamine, the vital motivation chemical. Without enough B vitamins, your brain simply cannot produce these crucial mood-elevating chemicals, leaving you feeling emotionally drained, flat, and anxious. Vitamin B12 is especially important for maintaining healthy nerve cells, preventing the mental fatigue that often accompanies long periods of depression. You can easily find these vital B vitamins in lean meats, whole grains, fresh legumes, and dark leafy greens to keep smiling. The seventh nutrient on our comprehensive list is magnesium. It is widely considered the ultimate natural relaxation mineral for body and mind. Magnesium acts as a natural brake for your nervous system, preventing it from becoming overstimulated during highly stressful and demanding daily situations. When you are stressed, your body rapidly depletes its magnesium stores, creating a vicious cycle that leads to even more intense anxiety. By replenishing this essential mineral, you can help relax tense muscles, calm a racing heartbeat, and quiet a restless, overly active mind. Magnesium also plays a key role in regulating cortisol levels, ensuring that your body does not stay in a perpetual panic state. Adding magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, black beans, delicious dark chocolate, and fresh spinach can make massive differences in your mood. Finally, we reach our eighth essential nutrient, zinc. This powerful trace mineral is crucial for maintaining optimal brain health and emotional balance. Zinc is heavily concentrated in the regions of the brain that regulate our emotions, making it vital for preventing sudden mood swings. It helps modulate the response to stress, ensuring that neurotransmitters fire correctly without overwhelming your delicate and complex central nervous system daily. Furthermore, zinc is highly effective at reducing systemic inflammation, which, as we discussed earlier, is a major hidden trigger for clinical depression. Oysters, tender beef, crunchy pumpkin seeds, and hearty lentils are all fantastic, delicious sources of zinc to include in your regular meals. Now that we have explored all 8 powerful nutrients, let us talk about how to practically apply this knowledge to your life. The most effective approach is always to prioritize a diverse, colorful diet filled with fresh, whole foods containing these vital natural vitamins. Mother Nature has perfectly packaged these nutrients in foods, allowing your body to absorb and utilize them with maximum efficiency and ease. We understand that modern farming practices and busy lifestyles can sometimes make it difficult to get everything you need from food alone. In these cases, high-quality nutritional supplements can be a wonderful, practical bridge to fill any critical gaps in your daily diet. If you choose to use supplements, always look for reputable brands that undergo strict third-party testing for purity and overall potency. It is also important to remember that these natural solutions work best when combined with other healthy lifestyle choices and daily habits. Regular physical exercise, practicing mindfulness meditation, and spending quality time outdoors in nature can amplify the positive effects of these vital nutrients. Healing from anxiety and depression is a holistic journey that requires patience, self-compassion, and a commitment to nurturing your entire body. Please keep in mind that while these vitamins and minerals are incredibly supportive, they are not replacements for professional medical treatments today. Severe anxiety and clinical depression are complex medical conditions that often require a comprehensive approach, including therapy and sometimes prescribed medical interventions. Before starting any new supplement regimen, it is absolutely crucial to consult with your primary healthcare provider or a qualified medical professional. Your doctor can help you determine the right dosages and ensure there are no dangerous interactions with any medications you currently take. A simple blood test can often reveal specific nutrient deficiencies, allowing you to target your approach for the most effective, personalized results. Let us quickly recap the 8 essential nutrients we covered today to help you build your natural defense against anxiety and depression. First, vitamin C reduces oxidative stress and boosts calming GABA levels. Second, probiotics support your gut-brain axis to improve your mood. Third, vitamin D regulates serotonin and controls stress hormones. Fourth, omega-3 fatty acids improve neurotransmitter function and support a healthy heart. Fifth, vitamin E protects your brain cells from damage. Sixth, the B-complex vitamins are essential for producing both serotonin and dopamine. Seventh, magnesium acts as a natural relaxant for your nervous system. Eighth, zinc reduces inflammation and modulates your emotional stress responses perfectly. By understanding how these nutrients work within your body, you empower yourself to take active control of your mental and emotional health. Every healthy meal you eat is an opportunity to nourish your brain and provide it with the tools it needs to thrive. Making small, gradual changes to your diet can lead to profound improvements in how you feel, think, and interact with the world. Remember that healing is not always a linear process. There will be good days and bad days, and that is completely normal. Be kind to yourself as you navigate this journey. Celebrate the small victories, like trying a new healthy recipe or resting well. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights and practical tools to support your mental wellness journey moving forward. Sharing this information with friends or family members who might be struggling could make a deeply meaningful difference in their daily lives. Knowledge is power, and understanding the biological roots of anxiety helps remove the stigma often associated with these common mental health challenges. You are not alone in this fight. Millions of people worldwide are successfully managing their mental health through natural and medical strategies. We encourage you to start today by picking just one nutrient to focus on, perhaps adding probiotics or eating more fresh greens. Track your progress in a journal. Notice how your body and mind respond as you provide them with these essential building blocks. Over time, these small positive choices will compound, creating a strong foundation of resilience against the inevitable stresses of our modern world. Thank you for investing your precious time in learning about natural ways to enhance your mental health and overall quality of life. If you found this video helpful, please consider exploring our other content focused on holistic health, nutrition, and natural wellness strategies today. We are dedicated to bringing you well-researched, actionable information to help you live your happiest, healthiest, and most vibrant life possible. Stay strong, stay informed, and always remember to prioritize your mental health just as much as your physical health every single day. Thank you for watching Vida Zero. We wish you peace and vibrant health. See you in our next informative video very soon.